When cataloging with barcodes in AI, click Catalog with Photos, then create New Pod. Name your pod, and click Create. You can minimize the menu, then click Individual to get started. Set up lots to use UPC and AI and click Start. Your phone's camera will convert to a barcode scanner to scan. Next, your camera will open to take a photo or photos of the item. Once complete, click Next Lot. Repeat this process by scanning your barcodes, then taking photos of each item. Click Next Lot to continue adding lots. If a barcode does not scan, you can click Enter Code manually to type or scan in barcodes with a Bluetooth or hardwired scanner. You can adjust your cargo settings on each item to add consignor, location, condition, subcondition, and of course AI tone. You can also select one global tone for everything before processing. The AI tone allows you to write out descriptions in your desired format and language. You are in control of how Listernaut writes out your titles and descriptions. We will help you to create as many tones as you want for as many categories as you need. Listernaut will scan ASIN codes, FNSKU codes, and UPCs. Our process allows you to list anything with or without barcodes in seconds. You can simply take a photo of your items and let your AI tones do the rest. We focus on using AI for consistency in your descriptions and titles, so you can focus on growing your business. You can forego scanning barcodes and simply use AI to describe all of your items as well. If you have a barcode scan fail for any reason, you can skip the scan and simply take pictures of your item. AI will write consistent titles and descriptions for all of your lots. How fast can you list with this technology? The answer lies in the user. Once you are done, click Finish. You can then review all of your lots prior to processing and apply individual or overall settings for consignor, condition, subcondition, location, and AI tone. Listernaut will populate a stock image for the first image, then add the images you took, then finally all remaining stock images will follow. Finally, you can override AI tone, consignor, condition, or subcondition. Once you are ready to process the items, click Options, then Analyze. You can then review your listings by clicking the eyeball icon, and then the pencil icon to make edits. You can now bulk change all titles with your AI tone created specifically for titles. We want every listing to be to your exacting standards. Finally, you can launch your listings out to your legacy account to quality control and launch to any connected platform or marketplace. Thank you for watching. Listernaut.